Hi everyone. This is an example of direct, inverse, and joint variation. So we're going to write an equation for the statement and then solve the equation. So here are our rules or formulas, and we'll start with the direct variation. So it says if y varies directly as x and y equals 16 when x equals 4, we're going to find x when y is 20. So the way you set it up is we're going to write, we have the y equals some kx. We're not looking for k in this one, but so you're going to write your equation as y sub 1, I'm saying sub for subscript, divided by x sub 1 equals y sub 2 divided by x sub 2. And then we have to solve. So when you solve, we're going to put our first y, 16, divided by 4 equals y sub 2 is 20, and we're looking for x. So this equals 4. So when you cross multiply, you're going to get 16 x sub 2 equals 20 times 4. You could have reduced that earlier, and then you would get, when you divide this out, you get x sub 2 equals 5. So this one's the most common one that you're probably already used to. So inversely, what happens is basically if you're solving for y, or let's solve for x, you get x equals k divided by y. So they get inversed. So let's set up our equation for the second one. So for the second one, we're going to go ahead and put x sub 1. An easy way to remember this, put x sub 2 here. But now we're going to inverse this. So y sub 2 goes here, and y sub 1's here. So they get inverted like this. If you can remember that, you're good to go. So now let's fill everything in. It says if y varies inversely as x and y is 5 when x is 16, find y when x is 20. So we have 16 for x, and then we don't know the second y. It says find y. All right, and then we have 20 for x sub 2 and 5. So if you look at this, remember the 5 goes with the 16, so this got inversed. And then you solve, you cross multiply, and you're going to get 80. If you cross up this way, equals 20 y sub 2. Divide both sides by 20. And you get y sub 2 equals 4. This is that second y you were looking for. All right, jointly looks like this. So it's a lot like our direct variation, but we just have more values. So the way we're going to set this one up, the way you want to do it, we could start with y. So we have our first y and our second y. And then you just let the index numbers be the same. We just have an extra variable, so it's not so bad. And you put x sub 2, and then z sub 2. And then you fill everything in. So we have our 10, and we're looking for the other y. So that'd be y sub 2. And then just fill in your x's and your z's. So we have 2 times 4 divided by 4 times 3. 4 and 3, 2 and 4. And then cross multiply, you're going to get 120 equals 8y. Divide both sides by 8. So you get y equals 15. This is our second y. Whoops, sorry. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.